Hi everyone. Are you floating video calls or chat heads not working on Messenger for Android? This issue might be caused by permissions, outdated apps, or small glitches. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to fix it step by step and without breaking a sweat. Note, before diving in, make sure you have a stable internet connection. Try restarting your phone. Sometimes that alone fixes the issue. Solution 1. Update the Messenger app. Running an older version can cause display bugs or permission conflicts. Open the Play Store, search for Messenger. If you see an update button next to the app, tap it to install the latest version. Solution 2. Clear Messenger cache. Go to your phone settings, tap on apps and find Messenger. Tap Storage and Cache, tap Clear Cache, then relaunch the Messenger app. And that's it. If your Messenger chat heads or floating video calls weren't working, one of these solutions should get them back on track. If this video helped you out, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel and tap the notification bell so you never miss future fixes. Have any questions or did one of these tips work for you? Let me know in the comments. I always appreciate hearing your feedback. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.